Hi, my gifted chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to explore a super simple potato recipe that only needs a little bit of olive oil, some seasoning, and get this, absolutely no peeling. All you need to make this is a pound of fingerling potatoes, a little bit of good extra virgin olive oil, and salt. With that said, let's start cooking. I don't show this, but be sure to clean and wash your potatoes thoroughly. Add them to a mixing bowl, drizzle in the olive oil, give them a shake. Make sure the oil is coating all of the potatoes everywhere, because we're not peeling them, we're not cutting them, we're just going to roast them as is. Drizzle on your salt. Here I'm using a Mediterranean sea salt that I fell in love with, which has Mediterranean olives, black olives, plus some Mediterranean seasoning. Usually you don't add finishing salt before cooking, but with these potatoes I find that it doesn't really matter. You can add it while you're cooking, you could add it after cooking. I prefer not to use a plain salt and then a finishing salt. It's just my liking. Add them to a baking dish. Here I am cooking a whole bunch of other things that I'm making a baked onion and a chicken. I have videos for those as well. I'll link them at the end. So you're going to bake these potatoes for about 35 to 45 minutes at 400 degrees. Once I'm done, I add them back to the mixing bowl that I originally coated them with the salt and oil. Potatoes, as long as they're cooked by themselves, they're not going to be contaminated by meats. So this mixing bowl is pretty fresh and safe. Drizzle on a little bit more olive oil. If you want to, I prefer a lot of olive oil for myself, but olive oil is calorie dense. So if you're concerned about calories, be wary of that. Here they are, roasted potatoes, very easy. If you all like this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat.